Okay, so what this is a recycled gift card. I folded it in half and I cut a notch in it. And this is going to help me keep the Enrichner choke here out. So when I pull this out, it doesn't stay out. That's my problem. So when I'm warming the bike up, it'll stay out just a little bit, but through vibration it works itself back in. So this right here is going to allow me to stop that choke out a certain distance, and then I can let the bike warm up without having to sit there and hold that. Let me show you how this works. You can see right here I have the choke pulled all the way out, and when you put that up against this part, the back part of it, it holds the choke out. So now we're just going to fire the bike up.